Hello class, welcome to the mathematics department of the Flat Earth School for the Permanently Baffled. Let the lesson begin. When using mathematics, always remember that numbers are a tool of the devil, so always use guesses rather than any real formulae to avoid summoning Satan to take your soul. If you absolutely must use any mathematical formula, use the wrong one for the task at hand to confuse Satan long enough for you to escape. Like using the 8 inches per mile squared rule when calculating any expected curvature on the Globies model. If they force you to use their methods and calculators, always use estimates of height and distance and never admit that refraction is real, unless you are telling those Globies how refraction and distortion can hide objects at the horizon, thus proving the Earth is not a globe. For example, when using an Earth curve calculator, always use only the observer's height or the observer's elevation, never use them both together. When making any kind of measurement, always guess the size of the object based on how it looks to you. If you can see any other objects in the frame, feel free to use them as a reference, especially if they are closer to the observer than the object being measured. Just remember to guess the size of the reference item as well. Here is one of our former students, Flat Earth Perth, who is going to demonstrate this technique using MS Paint. Here he is measuring a telegraph pole and here he is measuring a lighthouse. Here he is measuring a water tower, and here he is measuring the same water tower, and again, and again, and yet again. Just remember to never use an actual ruler, unless you are holding it at arm's length and guessing the distance to the object. Always remember that you are never wrong. If a Globie shows you that you are wrong, simply call them a liar, block them and then claim victory. Thank you for your attendance. Class dismissed.